Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to join a Snapchat community. Step-by-step Snapchat communities are a great way to connect with people who share your interest, discover content, and participate in group discussion. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Tap the profile icon on the top left and scroll down until you find the communities. Tap on Add School and tap on Add College. Choose on any college that you want to join. For example, I want to join the Harvard University for the sake of this video. Click on it and select the year that you will be graduating or have graduated. For example, let's choose 2023 for the reference and read down below about the community guideline. Click on Next and add your official student email ID to join the university. And that's it. Follow this step and you will be part of your favorite Snapchat communities in no time. Let's get started and explore the best communities Snapchat has to offer in 2025.